Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated revivals in American muscle history, the 2026 Plymouth Roadrunner. This legendary nameplate, which once ruled the streets during the golden age of muscle cars, has made a stunning comeback, blending pure vintage aggression with futuristic performance and cutting-edge design. The new Roadrunner is more than just a car. It's a statement that the muscle era is alive and roaring louder than ever before. The moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Plymouth Roadrunner, you're instantly hit with nostalgia mixed with jaw-dropping modern flair. Plymouth has done a phenomenal job at preserving the original Roadrunner's DNA. The wide stance, the aggressive hood scoop, the bold body lines, while updating it with a sleeker, more aerodynamic silhouette. The front fascia carries a menacing look with a split LED headlight design and a massive front grille that pays homage to the 1970s model. The hood bulge is still there, more muscular than ever, hiding a beast of an engine beneath. Sharp creases along the body, sculpted fenders and carbon fiber accents give it a futuristic edge, while the retro-inspired beep-beep horn remains a signature touch that fans will absolutely love. The rear end is equally stunning, with LED taillights stretching across the trunk, a functional spoiler, and quad exhaust tips that scream pure performance. Every inch of this car radiates attitude and power, reminding everyone what true American muscle is all about. Step inside, and the 2026 Roadrunner greets you with a cabin that perfectly balances retro vibes and modern luxury. The moment you open the door, you'll notice the classic touches: brushed aluminum trim, stitched leather seats with vintage Roadrunner logos, and a minimalist dashboard layout reminiscent of the old-school models. However, this isn't a trip to the past. The interior technology is fully next-gen. A massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system dominates the center console, offering seamless connectivity, real-time performance data, and even customizable driving modes. There's a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that displays everything from classic analog-style gauges to futuristic performance visuals. The seats are sporty, yet incredibly comfortable, with multi-contour support and heating, cooling, and massage options. Ambient lighting glows throughout the cabin, changing colors based on drive mode, while the premium Harman Kardon sound system transforms every drive into a concert on wheels. Plymouth didn't just design an interior. They crafted an experience that's thrilling, immersive, and worthy of the Roadrunner legacy. Under the hood lies the heart of this modern beast, a powertrain that will make every car enthusiast's pulse race. The 2026 Plymouth Roadrunner comes with two powerhouse options. The first is a 6.4-liter supercharged HEMI V8 pushing out an incredible 720 horsepower and 680 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking even more innovation, there's a hybrid variant featuring a twin-turbo V6 paired with electric motors, producing around 800 combined horsepower. This hybrid setup not only delivers breathtaking acceleration, but also improves fuel efficiency, a perfect blend of muscle and modernity. The roar of the engine is a symphony of power, tuned to give that deep, throaty rumble that muscle car fans crave. The Roadrunner rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.1 seconds, making it one of the fastest American muscle cars ever produced. The handling has been drastically refined thanks to an adaptive suspension system and a lightweight chassis built from aluminum and carbon fiber composites. Whether you're tearing down a straight road or taking tight corners, the car feels planted, confident, and incredibly responsive. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission shifts like lightning, while Brembo carbon ceramic brakes provide the stopping power needed for a car this potent. Every drive feels raw yet controlled, a perfect balance between heritage and high-tech innovation. Performance doesn't stop at speed alone. The 2026 Roadrunner features multiple drive modes, including Sport Plus, Track, and Classic mode, the last one mimicking the old-school throttle and exhaust mapping for a nostalgic experience. The steering feedback is sharp, and the car's aerodynamics have been fine-tuned in a wind tunnel to minimize drag and maximize downforce. Even the tires, specially designed Goodyear Eagle F1s, grip the asphalt like glue. Everything about this car screams precision, power, and pride. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Plymouth Roadrunner aims to stay competitive while delivering supercar-level performance. The base V8 model is expected to start around $85,000, while the hybrid performance version pushes closer to $25,000. Considering the design, technology, and performance packed into this car, That's a serious value for enthusiasts who want both classic appeal and modern dominance. Production numbers will be limited, adding to its exclusivity and collectible potential. In a world shifting toward electric and hybrid vehicles, the 2026 Plymouth Roadrunner stands as a powerful reminder of what true American muscle feels like: bold, loud, unapologetic, and exhilarating. It's not just about nostalgia, it's about evolution. Plymouth has revived an icon in a way that pays full respect to its heritage, while giving it the performance and sophistication needed to compete in today's automotive world. From the thunderous engine note to the luxurious cabin and stunning design, the new Roadrunner is everything fans hoped for and more. So, if you're a fan of raw muscle power wrapped in futuristic design, the 2026 Plymouth Roadrunner is the car that'll make your heart race and your garage roar. It's a comeback story for the ages. The legend reborn, faster, bolder, and more thrilling than ever. Thanks for watching, and if you loved this detailed review of the 2026 Plymouth Roadrunner, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more epic car reviews, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Tell us, would you take this modern Roadrunner for a spin? Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passion for cars alive.